Here we have the all-new 2014 Scion TC. It's got a 6-speed manual transmission. You can see how the front bumper, headlights, and grille have been changed. Wheels are still a 225, 45, 18-inch wheel. Just different design. (2014) goes over fuel economy, 26 average, 23 and 31, 23 city, 31 highway. Still the same 2.5 4-cylinder VTI Camry engine in here. The destination, you're looking at $19,965, which is Scion no haggle pricing. Yokohama tires, Avids. See the taillights. They changed that out. These also have a little bit different bumper. It's a little red deflector on the bottom. Kind of imitates the FRS. Still made entirely in Japan, 100%. Still has similar interior. Steering wheel's slightly different. The stitching, things like that. This one is brand new. It has not been PDI'd yet. Has 1 mile on it. That's why the warning lights are still on. Can't use the new audio system with map and navigation. 6-speed manual. Nothing's really changed on the interior. Still get the dual moonroofs. Or dual, yeah. This one obviously opens. Go ahead and take a look at the hood. Has LEDs, looks like right here now. Same 2.5 liter Camry motor. This one gets 0 weight oil, synthetic, so 10,000 miles between oil changes. Really nice looking Scion.